How do I charge the battery on my Riccar R27 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner? Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're going to show you how the battery and charging system works for your Riccar Cordless Upright Vacuum. This is your battery. There's a button right here that can tell us the charge of the battery. This one's mostly full. This is your charging unit here. You can see a little green light flashing right now. It's just ready to charge. If I plug it into the battery, into this port right here, we're now charging. Red light means it's charging. When it's fully charged, it will go green, okay? And this can be charged while it's on the unit or not on the unit. And the reason you may like that option is sometimes people like to have a second battery or a third battery to increase the amount of time they can use the vacuum cleaner. So it can be used in either position. Doesn't matter, you can have one unit in here, you can be vacuuming, and your battery can be, your second battery can be charging off to the side. It's a great charging system. It's great to have the option to have multiple batteries, and we hope you enjoy your vacuum cleaner. Happy vacuuming.